Good morning students, welcome to online class. So in the last class, what is completed? 7.2, 7-8 sums completed in the last class. Now see problem number 9 in 7.2. What is problem number 9 in 7.2? Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. First point is a plus b comma a minus b. Second point is a minus b comma a plus b in the ratio 3:2 internally. So meaning of the problem plays an important role. What is there in the problem? 2 points are given. First point a plus b comma a minus b. Second point a minus b comma a plus b. Third one ratio is given 3:2 and that too internally. That is internally it is important. And we have to find out there is a point which divides the line segment joining these 2 points in the ratio 3:2 internally. So we have to find out dividing point. You can imagine about the diagram, no problem at all. There is a point A, first point is A, second point is B, name the first point as A, second point as B, and there is a dividing point which divides the line segment in the ratio 3:2 internally. That means keep the point P here, it is 3 parts, it is 2 parts like that. First part is big, second part is small. We have to find out that dividing point P. Find out P. So right, what is given? Very clear to you. I told you already. First read the problem. Next try to understand the meaning of the problem. Third one, think about what formula to apply. Formula plays an important role. Very clear to you. There is a word ratio in the given problem. So the problem belongs to ratio formula. This is the point to remember. What is given? Given. So take the first point as A. Name the first point as A. Capital A. A plus B comma A minus B. Let it be x1 y1. Name the second point as B. Name the second point as B. Okay, now then what is the second point? A minus B comma A plus B. So 2 points completed. Name the first point as A plus B comma A minus B. Name the second point as B, A minus B comma A plus B. 2 points. Then let it be x2 y2. Then ratio is given. Ratio equal to how much? 3:2. Mostly internally only. So this is M, this is N. Then what we need to find out? P. P is what? P is dividing point. P is a dividing point. Then what formula to write? Again I told you. You better to write ratio formula, not better to write, please must write ratio formula. Write ratio formula. Again matter. The point which divides the line segment joining what is the first point? A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 internally in the ratio M is to N is P equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So that is the formula. Then apply the formula. P equal to mx2. What is m value? 3. What is x2 value? A minus b plus nx1. What is n value? 2. What is x1? mx2 plus nx1 a plus b by m plus n 3 plus 2. Again my2. What is m? 3. What is y2? A plus b plus n y1. What is y1? A minus b by 3 plus 2. 3 into a 3a, 3 into b 3b. Again 2 into a 2a, 2 into b 2b by 5. So multiply with 3. 3 into a 3a, 3 into b 3b, 2 into a 2a, 2 into b 2b. Again 3 into a 3a, 3 into b 3b, 2 into a 2a, 2 into b 2b by 5. Then tick like terms for our convenience. 3a 2a 5a. Subtract these two, minus plus subtraction, minus b by 5. Again here 3a 2a 5a, subtraction plus 1b by 5. So there ends the problem. Okay, now no cancellation, there ends the problem. So this is the point P which divides the line segment joining AB in the ratio 3:2 internally. So what is the answer? 5a minus b by 5, 5a plus 1b by 5. That is problem number 9. Now see problem number 10. Problem number 10 is, what is problem number 10? Problem number 10, 7.2. Problem number 10 is, what is problem number 10? Find the coordinates of the centroid of the following. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the following. Totally 3 problems are there. I want to explain first one. You try for the remaining 2. Okay, na? So what is that one? Find the coordinates of the centroid of the following. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the following. Centroid of the following. Find the coordinates of centroid of the following. Okay, now then what is the first one? Minus 1 comma 3. First one is minus 1 comma 3, 6 comma minus 3, minus 3 comma 6. That is first one. Second one is 6 comma 2, 0 comma 0, 4 comma minus 7. Third one is 1 comma minus 1, 0 comma 6, minus 3 comma 0. So totally 3 problems are there in problem number 10, and problem number 10 belongs to centroid. So find the coordinates of the centroid of the following. Totally 3 problems are there. I want to explain only first one. You try for the remaining 2 sums. Centroid, I told you already what is the definition of centroid. The point of concurrency of medians of a triangle is known as centroid, and it is represented by letter G. So the point of concurrency of medians of a triangle is centroid. See the first one. So centroid is the word belongs to triangle. 3 points are given. We need to find out centroid of the triangle. 3 vertices are given. First point minus 1 comma 3. Second point 6 comma minus 3. Third point minus 3 comma 6. Use all the 3 points. Find out centroid. So given, take the first point as A minus 1 comma 3. Let it be x1 y1. Second point as B 6 comma minus 3 x2 y2. Third point as C minus 3 comma 6 x3 y3. So 3 vertices are given, 3 points are given. We need to find out centroid of A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is G equal to, write the formula for centroid, G equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So this is the formula for centroid. G equal to centroid of the triangle G equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. You know all the values, substitute all the values. You know what is x1, x2, x3, what is y1, what is y2, what is y3, you know everything. Substitute implies G equal to, what is x1, minus 1, what is x2, 6, what is x3, minus 3. So first one minus 1 plus 6 plus minus 3 by 3. Then what is y1, 3, what is y2, minus 3, what is y3, 6. So 3 plus minus 3 plus 6 by 3. Okay now, then implies G equal to minus 1 plus 6 plus into minus minus 3 by 3. 3 plus into minus minus 3 plus 6 by 3. Then G equal to subtract. This is 5 minus 3 by 3. 3 cancel. 6 by 3. G equal to, this is 2 by 3. 3 cancellation, 2 times 2. So that is about centroid G equal to 2 by 3 comma 2. See again, first point is A, let it be x1 y1. Second point is B, let it be x2 y2. Third point is C, let it be x3 y3. Centroid of A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is, this is centroid formula. Substitute what is x1 minus 1 plus what is x2 plus 6 plus what is x3 minus 3 by 3. What is y1 3 plus what is y2 minus 3 plus what is y3 6 by 3. Then minus 1 plus 6 how much? 5 minus 3. 3 cancel, 6 by 3. 2 by 3 comma 2. And HW is 9 comma 10 sums, each one 2 times. In the next class, with this exercise 7.2 completed. In the next class we start exercise 7.3. Thank you students.